Hey everyone, so I got a package in the mail from my girlfriend's quilt shop and I opened it already, and I'm sure you'll be getting yours soon if you haven't already. So I want to make sure that if you haven't already, make sure and order it. This is the fabric kit for the February table topper, which we will work on in January. So I want to make sure if you haven't already, order this. All the links are underneath this website and the coupon information, but we're going to work on the next table runner, which is the February one. And oh my gosh, look at the colors of that. It's gorgeous. I'm really excited. So make sure that you've got your order. And I received another thing from my girlfriend's quilt shop too, a special. Look at, I feel so official. How fun is that?